Hello students, this is your book New Sangam with Gulmohar semester book. This is for class 2. Today we will start English in this. We will read its first chapter. The name of the chapter is Partho the Park Keeper. This is the name of the chapter. Let us start reading. Partho was a park keeper. A park keeper is a person who cleans and manages all the thing about the park. So, his name is Partho. He worked with 5 other people. So, in his team there are 5 more members who help him to keep the park clean and prepared. All of them together kept the park clean. So, all of them together keeps the park clean. Partho loved his job. So Partho loved his job. He loved to clean the park and maintain it. Once every year the park was closed. So once in a year, one day the park is closed. No one is allowed to come in the park. No one could use the park then. So that day no one uses the park. I am glad this happens just once a year, thought Partho. So Partho thought that it is good that only once a year, only one day the park is closed. I don't like to tell people to go away from the park. So Partho does not like to tell people that go away from the park. This year the park was closed on a weekend. So, this year the park was closed for 2 days. That is for weekends. Weekends are Saturday and Sunday. So, for 2 days the park was closed. Partho and his team were very busy for 2 days. So, for those 2 days, Partho and his team was very busy. They went around the park doing many things. So, they went around the park to see that what all is required to do in the park. On Saturday, they picked up the litter and put it in large bags. So, on Saturday, what all the team did, the team members cleaned the park and the litter that was around kept in a large bag. People should throw rubbish only in the bins, said Partho. His team nodded. So Partho said that the people who comes in the park should keep the rubbish. Rubbish means things that people do not want and throw away. That is the litter. So they should throw it in the bins that are the dustbins. And his team members nodded. Nodded means to say yes by their face, moving their head up and down. They weeded the flower beds and planted new seeds. So, what they did, they removed the flower beds that were extra and planted new plants. They trimmed the grass and hedges. So, what they did, the extra grass they cut it off and also the hedges. Hedges are the row of short plants. They scrubbed the swings, seesaws and slide. So they cleaned all the swings, seesaws and slides that were there in the park. They repaired the broken merry-go-round. So this is the merry-go-round. They repaired it. The children will be delighted. Partho smiled. So Partho thought that children will be very happy. Delighted means very happy to see that all the swings, seesaws and slides are cleaned and they are also repaired. So on Saturday they did all this. Now on Sunday they painted all the benches in the park. So these benches are there in the park so that people can sit there. So they painted them all. Partho told his team, we must put up notices that say wet paint next to the benches. So the Partho said to his team that we should put a board near the benches that the paint is wet, so not to sit there. By evening, everyone was tired. Partho asked his team to rest before they all went home. So they did all these work, so they were tired till the Sunday evening. So Partho said that we should take some rest and then we will go home. So they sat on a bench and enjoyed tea and snacks. So after doing all the work, what they did, they had snacks and rested there and enjoyed together. They looked around and felt happy. So as the park was cleaned and everything was repaired, so by looking at that, they feel happy. The park looked new as they painted all the benches and cleaned all the swings, seesaws and slides. So the park was looking new. But when they stood up, their backs were covered in paint. So as they were sitting on the benches that has wet paint, so that paint got stuck in their dresses. So at their backs they were covered with the paints, as you can see this in this picture. "Oh no," said Partho, "we should have put up the wet paint notices before we sat down." So they must have put the board that conveys that it is the wet paint, so they will not be seated there. Everyone laughed as they were dirty with the wet paint. They started laughing. So this was the story about a park keeper. When we go to the park, we should keep our park clean. We should not litter around. We should throw the rubbish in the dustbin to keep the park clean and make work easy for these park keepers. So when you go into the park next time, throw the rubbish in the dustbin and keep the park clean.